pitpitin yung bayag ko, hindi magta-tribe ang isang illegal gambling sa isang lugar kung hindi papayag yung isang local chief executive.
CIDG, you conduct operations against illegal gambling also.
Yes, sir.
May I know if you also if you have operated against those getting bets for wedding, and in fact they are, shall we say, takers of bets from franchise holders of Lotto?
We have conducted operations against those steel operators, sir, na sinasabi nilang looting. But I agree also with Honorable Congressman Erwin Tolfo na itong mga steel operators, sila rin yung nagbubukis. At I personally know this dahil sa tagal ko sa serbisyo, within my 30 years, na 13 times na ako nag-chief of police at nag-provincial director. Marami na ring instances, sir, na napatunayan namin ito. Na itong mga steel operators, sila rin yung nagpapabukis. That's why it's been a challenge for us law enforcers. Dahil kaming mga law enforcers, once marami ng instances na nanghuli kami ng mga nagpapatayan ng itong steel at kami pang mga nakasuhan. Kaya yung implementing rules and regulations dapat ng PCSO na dapat na pag walang ID, walang uniforme, uliin kagad. But pag nahuli namin itong mga nagpapataya, they easily make certification na employees nila ito. So nahihirapan po ang mga operators. And again, if we are really sincere para mapatigil itong illegal gambling na ito, I agree with Congressman Erwin Tolpo, Congressman Goma, and Congressman from Cagayan de Oro, na dapat holistic approach ang gawin natin dito dahil hindi magta-tribe ang isang illegal gambling sa isang lugar kung hindi papayag yung isang local chief executive. Pitpitin yung bayag ko, walang maglalakas na loob na provincial director, regional director o chief of police na magpapalaro ng witting without the approval o without the consent ng kanyang local chief executive. Pag sinabi ng local chief executive, ayaw ko yan, walang magagawang kapulisan. Again, sinabi ko, holistic approach dahil kailangan i-involve natin ang prosecution at saka sa court dahil kung minsan kahit yung ebidensya namin ay malakas pero naluluto sa prosecution, wala tayong magagawa. So kailangan patawag din sana, hindi lang yung mga law enforcer, kung hindi representative, kung sino yung mga presidente ng mga local chief executive. Yun lang po.
Actually, we have
Mr.
invited
Vice
as
Chairman,
well, Vice Chairman ako for your perusal. No?
Thank you.
Because we have invited also the DOJ. If you want to ask something on the prosecution side, you can.
I admire the candor of the chief of the CIDG. What he has stated, alam ko na po yun.